Now that we've seen the demo for Design Studio, we'll move on to the next slide here. So we have SAP Business Objects Explorer, and here you'll be able to, say you're new to the company, you're not sure about all the data that's available, you might not want to ask, you might not have time to ask, or you don't want to know, you don't want people to know that you don't realize all the things that you might need to know for your department. So you can use Explorer to search reports, data, and analysis that's already on the system. And it looks like this, kind of a normal search engine or a library. On the next page, you see kind of the extent of the data that you can access. So you're not only able to access the data, you're able to interact with it through Explorer. So you can use Explorer to search, explore, display, and share insights. Because other users can also create things, put them into that Objects Explorer, and then you can search for them in a way you can search that way. And share. Information Design Tool, this is the semantic layer where you're able to manipulate metadata and relational and OLAP sources. So this really reminds me of what we do in SQL Server because we have our data mart here, or and then we have our tables that we can manipulate and change the way that they relate to each other and the way that we want to look at them, slice and dice, and so on. This tool has the slice and dice capabilities as well. SAP Business Intelligence Platform includes SAP Business Objects Enterprise, Objects Edge, and Crystal Solutions, including everything that we've gone over so far. That's all available on the platform. Then I wanted to take a look at the website for the platform, just so you can get an idea of all the capabilities. And it's a really great tool, and it's in my Works Cited page here so that you can kind of get an idea of the functionality for this website here. So you're able to click on each little function. So for our purposes, we'll click on Crystal Reports. SAP Crystal Reports 2011 is a Windows-based report design tool, and so on. So you're able to figure out the components for Business Objects Platform, what's available, what you can do with it, what's it for. That's client-based there. This is web. So we've got servers, applications, services, management. We have servers again. Several different kinds of servers, central management, event, explorer, so on. Storage, Crystal Reports cache server, dashboards cache server. So for our purposes, those would be the most important. Processing, Crystal Reports processing servers here available for you to understand a little bit more about that. And then we have data, which is all the data capabilities. So Universe is a big database that they use. OLAP services, relational databases, the Hadoop, SAP, HANA, and so on. So the mobile applications are included here. So ideally, they'd like to think or promote that they have all capabilities on the mobile apps. I'm not sure about the massive amounts of data if your phone would be able to handle that. But you were supposed to be able to create and share scalable dashboards, reports, documents, develop analysis over your phone, and then share that. And then I have a demo here. Just one moment.